Okay, moving on to the Trade Manager section of the VTC application. We do this by clicking the Trade Manager tab. This is where you create, save, and load your Trade Manager profiles using 5 different panels. These are break-even, trailing stop, multi-level profit taking, Trade Manager profiles, and apply settings to selected ticket. The break-even panel offers 2 types of break-even stop handling. Once you enable this feature, you'll be able to modify the settings. Break-even when pips in profit is simply used to automatically move or place your stop at break-even when your trade is in profit by the number of pips set in this input field. In the example here, by 20 pips. Now the second feature is the Breakeven Plus setting. This is used when you want to bank a few more pips instead of just breaking even when your trade reverses. The setting here is used in conjunction with the setting above. For example, we want to move our stop to break even plus 1 pip to cover commission costs when we are 20 pips in profit. Therefore, we must type 20 in the first input field and 1 in the second input field. Now the trailing stop panel is used to trail your stop while your trade progresses. Once we enable this feature, we'll be able to set our trailing stop parameters. Now your standard trailing stop approach uses only one parameter, which is the number of pips that should be trailed. This application introduces a second parameter, which is start trailing when pips in profit. Now what this means is the trailing stop will trigger once the trade is 21 pips in profit, and it will start trailing your stop by 20 pips. This is used to trigger our trailing stop at a predefined level. The next tab is the multi-level profit taking tab, which is simply used to scale out your trades as they progress. You can set 5 different targets, and you can select the number of pips at which take profit should take place, plus the percentage of the trade that should be closed out. Now if we want to take our profit at 2 different levels, say the first one being 30 pips with the 50% of the trade closed, and the second one being 50 pips with an additional 25% closed, that will leave a remaining 25% on the trailing stop. So if we traded one lot, the first 50 mini lots would be closed at a profit of 30 pips, 25 mini lots at 50 pips, and it will leave a remaining 25 mini lots trailing. Or you can another target at 100 pips and close the rest of the trade. Now these are the 3 panels where you actually set your trade manager tactics. Once you have this done, you could save your settings by typing a name, my example, clicking save. This enables you to use your profile to manage your trades in the future. Now, this panel also offers a load button and a delete button. The load button is simply used to load the settings previously stored, and delete would be used to delete the profile when it's no longer needed.